Hi, I'm Nick Major with Great Lakes Credit Union. I'm our business development manager, and we're here out supporting North Chicago. We love the community. We are people helping people, and we really give back to the community. That's why we're sponsoring today. And I'd like to pass it over to Alberto. He's our branch manager at North Chicago to give out some more info.
Hey, how's everyone doing? My name is Alberto Roman. As he said, I'm the branch manager of North Chicago. I echo all the sentiment that Nick actually said out today. Just if you guys want to contact me or contact Nick, my direct phone number is 847-578-7047. Again, I'm the branch manager of North Chicago. The website you can actually meet us at is www.glcu.org. Again, that's www.glcu.org. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I'm here to sell authentic African dresses for men and women and for children. My Facebook name is Natalie Word of Beauty, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, this is your girl from Kingston, Jamaica, representing Lady B Boutique at 1547 West Howard Street. Today we are here celebrating our Jamaican independence at the Foss Park in North Chicago. So come on out and full joy. We're here every year if God's willing. We're here celebrating life and celebrating our culture. So, we're here like every August 8th, and we're looking forward to see everyone come out and celebrate your country and your island. All right? God bless.
Hi, my name is Joan Ballinger, and I'm here at the Sound of the Caribbean, celebrating all the Caribbean independence. And why not come on out and enjoy yourself with us? It's only a few hours, and we have delicious food here and many things from the Caribbean and Africa for sale. So come on and enjoy yourself with us.
Hi, my name is Camille Thompson, and I am representing the Multiple Myeloma Awareness Foundation on behalf of Janice Hay, who is my aunt, and she also has multiple myeloma. And essentially what we're doing here is to increase awareness. It's a rare disease, so if you want to learn more, just look up multiple myeloma on Google, and there should be a website there, and you should go check it out and learn more about it. But essentially what we're doing here is to increase awareness and allow everyone to have a good time at Sounds of Caribbean. So again, my name is Camille Thompson. Stop by our booth.
Hi, my name is Martrice. I'm the CEO of the D&D Apparels. If you would like to purchase my clothing line, you can reach me at D&D Apparels on Instagram, or you can visit my website at dndapparels.com. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tosh with Mama's Jerkin Things, owned by Sharon McCarthy. Come check us out. We have the best jerky chicken in town. You can reach us on Facebook, Mama's Jerkin Things. Come join us.
Hello, my name is Lacey, and I'm with the Lacey Lace Foundation, and we're from Belize. So basically what we do is we give and we send stuff back to Belize. We try to help the poor people and the less fortunate. So what we're doing today is we're doing some raffles so that we can help to pay with the shipment. As you know, we do get a lot of donations, dry goods and clothing and shoes and anything non-perishable, but it's the shipment that's the problem. So what we're doing today is we are doing some raffles. We have 3 prizes today. We're doing some Belican Bear products. We're doing some Belize products, and we also have a bicycle for raffle today. It's $3 for. It's actually $5 for a chance. And we also have our foundation with some pamphlets, so we kind of can tell you what we're doing today. Okay. If you need to find some more information, we're from Belize, so you can call me at 224-440-8595, or if you want, you can find us on Facebook at the Lacey Lace Foundation.com. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Michelle Lawrence, and I'm here today representing First Student. We're a school bus company. We're also hiring $22 an hour and a $2,500 sign-on bonus. Please come on down, check us out. We're here for the community, and we're also hiring monitors and minivan drivers. So please look us up. and sign on. If anybody comes today, they will receive a gift card. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.
Hi, I'd like to present you no other than DJ King Lion, one of our top DJ out here in Chicago, and he always doing his thing over the weekend for birthdays, weddings, parties, whatever. And here is no other than DJ King Lion. One love. King.
You got to interview me, right? What you want to ask me, huh? Yes, I'm DJ King Lion. I'm a Belizean DJ, like you can see. Yeah, I'm supposed to do a show out here today. It's nice. I'm enjoying family day. I'm getting interviewed by a beautiful lady from Jamaica. Yeah, we're going to turn it out. Is that good? Yes, ma'am.
Year of 21. I just want to share a little bit about Gift for Hope. As you see, Gift for Hope is an organ tissue donor organization, non-profit organization that coordinates organs and tissues and educate the people. A lot of people just don't know, they hear horrible stories about it, but it's not about that. It's about giving life, saving life. As we know that when we go to heaven, we're not going to take our organs. We're going to have a whole brand new body. So come on out and make sure you stop at Gift for Hope and Gift for Hope table, and there's plenty of other vendors out here. So come on out and enjoy yourself. Our Gift for Hope website is www.giftforhope.org. You can get on there, you can become a volunteer, or you could donate, or just come out and have you some fun today.
Hello, my name is Nisi McGill, or Chabelle McGill, and I'm out here with Gift of Hope, and we hope you come out and share with us. We have information for you that you might not be aware of. Bless God.